In this video, we're going to show you how to diagnose the belt in your dryer. So now we want to diagnose or examine our belt just to see what condition it's in. Now pretty well every belt that's on the dryer has a braided type of backing, and it has a ribbed rubber that goes down on the drum itself. So what you want to do when looking at your belt is look to see if it's frayed all along the sides. As well, you'll just want to kind of pinch the belt like this. And what you're looking for to see if there's any cracks or splits. And if you are finding cracks and splits, it's time to change the belt. To just put it back on just means in a short period of time you're going to be doing this again, but you're actually going to have to change it. So that's how easy it is to inspect your belt.